let me show you all the ports that we are getting on a 4K Samsung Smart TV, and also how to set up this TV and what each port means. So first over here, I see you have your power plug port. So you see you can insert your power here to power the TV. Then I see we have a bunch more ports here and also here. So first we have our antenna here. So this is where you connect your antenna to get the signal for local stations. Then also, for example, we have USB port here. What you can do is you can literally take any USB flash drive, for example, and connect to it. And you can watch maybe movies from a flash drive. Also, you can easily connect a wired mouse or a keyboard as well to this USB here. And use your TV essentially like a mini computer as well. And then we have a bunch of HDMI ports. So see you have HDMI 1 here, HDMI 2 and HDMI 3. And using an HDMI cable, you can connect pretty much any device to your TV. So maybe like a console or like a PC or laptop. So anything that takes HDMI, you can simply plug it in here. Or also over here. Or also over here. Yep. And yeah, you can also connect obviously multiple HDMIs at the same time. For example, if you want to connect maybe some TV box, you can also plug in the HDMI. And then we have this LAN port over here. So this port can be used to simply provide wired internet access to your TV. So these TVs also have got Wi-Fi. So yeah, you can connect and use Wi-Fi if you want. But for the fastest, most stable speeds, you can also connect wired internet to it. And then also we have this regular interface here as well. So you can connect maybe other device that supports this. On the TV over here, we're also getting our mounting points. So you can use these to mount it on your wall. And on the front of the TV over here, so under the Samsung logo, you'll see that you have a button that you can press. So if you press inside, you can essentially turn on or off your TV. And also if you press it once more, you can also pull up some settings on the TV. Or yeah, you can also obviously turn it on or off with your remote as well. Okay, good luck.